Downloading your account data from Zelle can help you keep track of your transactions and manage your finances effectively. Follow these steps to easily download your data. Step 1. Log into your banking app. Open your banking app or website where you have Zelle integrated. Use your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Zelle Transactions. Once logged in, locate the Zelle section within your banking app. This is usually found in the Payments or Transfers menu. Step 3. Access Transaction History. In the Zelle section, look for an option that says Transaction History or Activity. Click on it to view all your Zelle transactions. Step 4. Select Download option. Look for a download or export option, which may be represented by a button or link. Choose the format you want to download your data in, such as CSV or PDF. Step 5. Save the file. After selecting your preferred format, follow the prompts to save the file to your device. Ensure you choose a location where you can easily find it later. By following these steps, you can successfully download your account data from Zelle. Regularly reviewing your transaction history can help you stay organized and informed about your finances.